whistle through the trees, low and long on the evening breeze. It carries stories, it carries time, a rust and silver on a lonesome rhyme. Tracks run straight through the heart of town, the steel on steel, that heavy sound. The painted names on the weathered cars, the rolling dreams beneath the stars. The sound of the train, it's a song I know, fading slow where the tall grass grows. A call from the past, soft and true, rolling on like it used to do. They once swung the hammers hard, laid down miles of earth and a yard. With sweat and smoke and an open sky, they built the road that would never die. The sound of the train, it's a song I know, fading slow where the tall grass grows. A call from the past, soft and true, it's rolling on like it used to do. There's a grit in the wheels, a grace in the line, a rhythm that hums through the edge of time. Every whistle, a voice in the rain, I turn my ear to the sound of the train. The sound of the train, it's a song I know, it's fading where the wild wind blows. A call from the heart that's steady and true, rolling on like all things do.